Hello everybody, welcome to the English class. Play this video twice to teach reading to kids. Once word sounds are heard completely, you may mute the video in the second round and let the kids read the words on their own. Reading is this easy. Let's start. Short E sound CVC words. Lib, bib, fib, rib, jib, sib, tib, bid, did, hid, kid, lid, rid, sid, big, dig, fig, pig, rig, wig, jig, zig, dim, him, kim, rim, tim, jim, vim, bin, fin, pin, sin, tin, win, kin, din, gin, yin, dip, hip, nip, rip, sip, tip, zip, lip, pip, bit, fit, hit, kit, lit, pit, sit, wit, zit, mix, six, fix, fin, win, sin, kit, lit, hid, rid, zig, pig, dim, lib, bib, fib, rib, jib, sib, tib, bid, did, hid, kid, lid, rid, sid, big, dig, fig, pig, rig, wig, jig, zig, dim, him, kim, rim, tim, jim, vim, bin, fin, pin, sin, tin, win, kin, din, gin, yin, dip, hip, nip, rip, sip, tip, zip, lip, pip, bit, fit, hit, kit, lit, pit, sit, wit, zit, mix, six, fix, fin, win, sin, kit, lit, hid, rid, zig, pig, dim. Short E sound sentences. Jim sat in the rig. He has a big car. The kid is in the bag. Ben hid in the van. Where is my pen? I can see the tin lid. Can I sit on the mat? The big cat is in bin. He will rip the bag. Tim took the pill. Zed has a big bed. The cat bit the rat. Pig is too big. Kim and Jim are red. Writing takes efforts. Once words are read completely, give dictation in the third round and let the kids write the words on their own. Writing takes efforts, so be patient. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Happy learning! Bye-bye.